Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix verification fail this Apple ID is not active. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you try to verify your Apple ID, when you try to sign out your Apple ID and you're putting the password and showing the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all, you have to close this page. Now after that guy, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings from here guy. What you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, then you have to tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you have updated your device, then go back and then you have to tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction, turn off screen time. Just simply have to turn off, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Safari here. Just simply have to search for forgot Apple ID password. So wait some second from here guys. After that guy, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on that and wait some seconds. So from here guy, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it on, and you can easily see here reset your password at iforget.apple.com. Just simply have to tap on that. Let me tap here, and you can easily see here guys, reset my password. Just simply have to reset your password. So after reset your password guys, you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.